There comes a moment in every life, especially as we age, when we must decide, do I continue to drift with the tide of time? Or do I rise each day and walk with purpose against it? Every morning, your body asks you a silent question. Will you allow your strength to fade, or will you feed it? For many, especially those over 60, the answer is whispered not in words, but in silence, in skipped breakfasts, in cold coffee, in habits that steal more than they give. And over time, this quiet neglect manifests as trembling steps, lost balance, and the terrifying realization that your legs no longer feel like your own. But the truth is this: your strength is not gone, it is only sleeping. And it can awaken with discipline, with wisdom, and with a choice you make each morning. The morning turning point. You see, after 7-9 hours of fasting during the night, your body enters a catabolic state. A state where it begins to consume its own muscle tissue for energy. And the muscles that suffer first are your legs. These legs, which once carried you without thought, begin to weaken. Not from age, but from neglect. But here's the gift of awareness. You can reverse this. You can reclaim the vitality that time tried to take from you. Not through pills, not through pain, but through a simple act of care. Your first meal of the day. Eat with intention, not habit. Let's begin with the most powerful foundation, a cooked egg. This humble food contains almost every amino acid your body needs to restore muscle. But more importantly, its golden center, the yolk, is a treasure trove of vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, the master trigger of muscle regeneration. Science confirms 2 eggs a morning can rebuild strength and balance. They don't just feed the body, they awaken the neuromuscular system, helping you walk straighter, stand taller, and prevent the falls that shatter independence. Eat the whole egg. Don't fear the yolk. It is the wisdom center of the egg. Fuel with stability, oats and chia seeds. Eggs awaken the body, but oatmeal with chia seeds sustains it. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a powerful fiber that reduces inflammation, balances blood sugar, and feeds your muscles what they truly need. Consistency. When your blood sugar is stable, and chia seeds, they deliver magnesium, potassium, calcium, and omega-3s, an arsenal against leg cramps, stiffness, and poor circulation. These 2 ingredients form a quiet alliance inside you, reinforcing your lower body, calming your nerves, and extending your stamina throughout the day. Nature's electrolyte, the banana. A banana in the morning may be the most underestimated shield you possess. It delivers over 400 meters of potassium, vital for proper nerve function and muscle contraction. This is your defense against the misfires. The cramps, the twitching legs, the spasms that wake you at night. But be mindful, if you struggle with blood sugar or kidney health, choose an underripe banana for more resistant starch and slower digestion. Let this fruit serve you, not surprise you. Greek yoga, the silent builder. If eggs are the spark and oats the fuel, then Greek yogurt is the anchor. Packed with slow digesting casein protein, it prevents your body from slipping further into muscle breakdown. It is rich in leucine, in calcium, in vitamin D, all key to leg strength, bone integrity, and postural balance. And its probiotics, they do more than soothe the gut. They help absorb what your muscles have been crying out for. Usable, healing nutrition. Salmon, the deep power. Twice a week, begin your day with pan-seared salmon. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are brimming with EPA and DHA, omega-3 fatty acids, proven to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and preserve leg muscle mass by up to 27%. You may not see inflammation, but it is there in your knees, your calves, your thighs, slowly corroding strength. Salmon calms that fire, and in its place, it plants the seeds of balance, fluid motion, and cellular rejuvenation. The forgotten shield, steamed sweet potato and mineral salt. Before your main breakfast, there is a secret weapon. Half a steamed sweet potato sprinkled with Celtic sea salt. Simple, natural, but deeply effective. Sweet potatoes replenish muscle glycogen, providing calm, steady energy to your legs. They don't spike sugar, they don't inflame, they stabilize. And the Celtic salt, unlike refined table salt, it contains over 80 trace minerals needed to sustain electrical activity in muscle tissue. It hydrates your cells, it soothes spasms, it balances the internal tides of your body. One small bite, one giant shift. Morning habits that build strength. But food alone is not the answer. It is the beginning to truly reclaim your legs, your balance, your walk. You must also align your morning habits with your inner purpose. Drink warm water with Celtic salt upon waking. Replenish, rehydrate, restart your circulation. Practice a 3-minute leg lift and balance routine. Raise one leg, hold, switch. Feel the awareness grow. Sit up slowly, breathe, reconnect. Do not rush into the world. Enter it grounded. Soak in the morning sunlight for your bones, your hormones, your hope. Never skip breakfast. A skipped breakfast is a skipped opportunity for healing. The cycle can be broken. Sarcopenia, the silent thief, does knock on the door. It slips in slowly. A wobble here, a stuttered step there. One day you must use your arms to rise. Another, you avoid the stairs. But just as strength can be lost silently, it can be rebuilt quietly. One egg, one glass of water, one leg raise, one conscious choice. In this monastery of the body, nothing is more sacred than movement. To walk, to stand, to rise, these are not just physical acts. They are reflections of the spirit. So I ask you, with sincerity, will you begin tomorrow as a caretaker of your strength? Will you walk forward, not with fear, but with force? The food you eat is not just food. It is a declaration of worth, a message to your muscles that you are still needed, still powerful, still here. Every day your body asks a question. Let your answer be strength.